This video assignment is prepared to fulfill the requirement of PTT 363 Pharmaceutical Processing Technology. Today's topic is Approach of Liquid and Gas of Pharmaceutical Products to Cough Patients. Introduction. Cough is a fast-expulsive maneuver, usually against a closed glottis, and which is associated with a characteristic sound. Classification of cough based on symptom duration is somewhat arbitrary. A cough lasting less than 3 weeks is termed acute, while the one lasting longer than 8 weeks is defined as chronic. So what is the effect of the approach of liquid and gas pharmaceutical products to cough patients? Liquid pharmaceutical products contain a mixture of active drug components and non-drug components dissolved or suspended in a mixture of solvent that provide the maximum therapeutic response in a target population with difficulty swallowing solid dosage form. Examples are dextromethorphan, varenicline, codeine. Gas pharmaceutical product: a medical gas is intended for administration to a patient in anesthesia, therapy, or diagnosis. Examples are long-acting beta agonist and oxygen gas. Mechanism of dextromethorphan: a synthetic central NMDA receptor antagonist, thereby suppressing the cough reflex. It does not depress medullary function of the airway mucosa. The dosage prescribed is between 10 to 20 mg. The side effects of dextromethorphan are dizziness, nausea, drowsiness. At high doses, hallucination and ataxia may occur. Mechanism of long-acting beta agonist: a LABA relaxes the smooth muscle lining, the airways of the lungs, allowing the airways to open up. It prevents symptoms such as coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. The side effects are LABAs may increase the risk of severe asthma, exacerbation, or death in some patients. Conclusion: drug affecting central mechanism for cough include systematically applied codeine as well as natural and synthetic derivatives such as dextromethorphan. Both liquid and gas pharmaceutical products works differently depending on the type of cough. Both liquid and gas medication for cough are controlled drugs. References. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.